What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Javon, and it's your girl Shavon. And today we have a unfortunately sadly video for me because I gotta feel the pain.
You'll be alright.
Okay, I'll be quiet.
Okay, guys. So as you all can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be waxing Javon's back.
That's not. You're the only one that's happy.
I'm going to be waxing his back, y'all. We bought this wax like a while ago because he actually wanted to get waxed.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
No, I didn't. She stopped lying. She the one that suggested. No, I didn't. Yo, all my life I never watched. I never wax nobody before.
I said, babe, let's
never in my life I never waxed my body. I don't know how that gonna feel. I don't know what the outcome gonna be. I just have a feeling it's gonna hurt.
It is. So this is called GG Microwave Wax in Essentials. No, but it's gonna be alright. So basically, it's an at-home wax system kit or whatever. So you just put it in the microwave for about a minute, and it heats up really quickly. Like it heated up really quickly. And we got the strips. It came with strips, of course. It came with strips. It came with the wax that we have right here. We already warmed it up and everything. And now we're just gonna get straight to the video. You ready?
Let's stay in silence.
Boy, we already do no silent, did you?
We gotta protect.
These are the strips. They come out.
Protect my
Look
back.
at them.
What's those? Man, I'm not thinking coming out of it.
These are the strips, babe. This one I'm gonna put on your back.
They that long?
Yeah.
So you finna whip up my thing like that, bro? Bro, you gonna kick my bag?
Come on, babe.
What?
Let's go.
Alright,
guys, we're about to get straight to the video. So right now, babe, I need you to turn around.
Guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you guys comment down below. Pray for Javon. Pray for my back because she don't care about me. She just wanna rip my back so I can. Because that's exactly what's gonna happen.
Babe, you can wax my legs.
Right here. Oh yeah. You ain't got no hair to wax, so you ain't gonna feel nothing. What's the point?
Okay.
Let me wax it here.
Nigga, I'm gonna wax your mouth. Come on,
wax
turn
it
around.
here. Oh, wax it over here.
You can wax something else.
You gonna be bald.
You got some hair. Okay, let's get straight to the video, y'all. I'm ready.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm doing this.
So let me show y'all the consistency.
Out of my 23 years of living, I never did nothing this. Why am I doing this right now, bro? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Let me look what you're doing, because you ain't but a... Man, that looks so deadly.
It's not though, babe. You'll be okay.
What you about to do? What you about to do?
I'm gonna put it on you.
Oh, like that?
Come on, babe.
I thought you put it on that first.
No, I had to put it on you first.
Oh my god.
Okay, so let me see which way your hair grows.
Oh my god.
So your hair grows this way, so I'm gonna have to wax it. Okay, guys, so right now I'm just going to measure. I mean, I didn't put that on yet. So I'm just gonna measure because I want to know exactly how much I'm gonna put on. So I'm gonna just measure. I'm gonna do the back. Should I do the crease? No.
That is the back. It doesn't matter what part of the back is the back. It doesn't matter what part of the back.
Shut up.
You just trying to find a way so I can feel more pain.
Babe, hush.
Ain't no babe hush.
Okay,
let me do you.
Babe, come on for the wax get cold.
God.
Come on.
That look deadly, bro.
Come on.
That look like a python snake ready to rip my skin off.
Boy, okay, come on, you ready?
Okay. Oh. Is it hot?
No, babe.
Where you at?
I'm right here.
Okay. My bumbo clot, yo! Yo, that warm, brother! Woo! Hell no, that warm.
Babe, it's supposed to be warm.
No, that's too warm. That's too warm. What do you mean it's supposed to be warm? That's too warm. No. What are you doing?
Babe, come on.
Oh my god. Tell me when you're gonna rip it off.
Okay.
Tell me when you're gonna rip it.
Okay.
Ay.
Just my finger.
Tell me, what's wrong with your finger?
The wax.
Tell me when you're gonna rip it off.
Okay.
Let me wait, hold on really quick.
2319.
What?
That's all Buster's ink. Alright, you ready?
Wait, you want to rip it off right now?
Yes.
Well, you thought about to wait a few seconds.
No, babe, it's ready.
Oh my god.
You ready? 1. I'm gonna count to 5.
Alright,
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, no.
Man, I didn't even get much.
Ooh, you got enough. You got
Oh, man, it's smooth, bro.
It's bleeding bad?
Let me see.
Bro, you see, bro, you killing me, bro. You see, what you doing? No, what you doing?
Man, I gotta get that little piece.
Okay, you can understand.
Hmm?
Babe, come on now, man. Why you about the same day? Shit, I cut my back for it. Babe, come on, man. Wait, this is torture, bro. This is torture.
No, it's not.
Bro, this is torture, bro.
Babe, I gotta get this piece, or else you're gonna get a snack on stuff. And do not move so I can put pressure on it.
Take it! Take it off!
No.
Let me know when you're gonna take it off.
Okay, babe.
Let me know. No, let me know when you're gonna take it off.
That's the point of getting the wax. You're not supposed to know. Because if you know, then you're gonna...
No, but this is how be unexpected.
Okay.
Let me know when you do.
Ready?
Call it count to 100.
This one said count to 100. Okay, I'm counting 3 for a friend. Now I'm repeat. 3.
Count to 3. Don't count to 1, 2, and repeat. Count to 3.
Okay. 1, 2.
Wait. Ooh. Oh my God.
Come on, babe.
Ooh, that tickle, boy.
That tickle?
Yeah, man, that tickle. Wait. Calm down.
Okay.
Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Yo, stop playing with me, bro. You can go no, bro. Stop playing, bro.
Okay.
Hey, calm down.
Okay, come on.
Calm down again.
Okay.
Well, calm down. How much I gonna do?
3. I'm doing 3.
Alright, go.
Okay. Babe.
Oh, shit, I think we'll
Stop. No. 1, 2, 3. Let me put pressure.
Pressure! Move your bum ball!
It said apply pressure. You want to do some more?
Do some more what?
Babe, I got more. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's set that there. I got more wax places.
I know you got more wax. I know you got more wax. What you telling me that for?
Babe, does that really hurt?
Let me do you. Want to do you?
No, I'm good.
Ooh.
Babe, do not clench up like that. Separate your back. Thank you.
What? Woman, know what's your worst? Boom. Be up. Lift it up. This is the last one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank God.
This is the last one, y'all, cause he can't handle it. My poor baby. Okay, come on, one more.
Wait. Don't pull it out now. Don't pull it out.
I'm just gonna set it on there.
Okay. Let's sit on there. Okay.
What?
Oh my God.
Come on, it's 3 of them, babe.
3? Why 3?
So I can get all the wax off.
Why you put 3?
So I can get all the wax.
Man, you're cheating, bro. You just want to
No, I'm not, babe. I put a, come on.
Come on, what?
So I can rip it
Rip
off.
off what?
Thing, so it can be gone.
Let's talk to the people real quick.
What we gonna talk
I
about?
don't know how you guys doing. Let's go sometime.
Come on, babe.
So you gonna rip it 3 times?
Yes.
Why?
Babe, come on.
Why you want to see me in pain, bro?
I don't. I just want to see if this works. Come on. Ready?
You should. Oh.
This small one. This small,
You're
babe.
ripping by the same spot.
No, I'm not.
Boom, boom.
Nothing came off.
Nothing.
You know why? Because it dried up.
No. Yeah, that's good. Yo, nobody play with me now.
What?
Don't play with me.
I'm not playing
Don't
with
rap
you.
with me.
Come on.
Tell me when everybody's sitting.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah, wait.
1.
What's your count? Wait, yeah, why you don't even tell me what you can't do?
Babe, because you ain't supposed to know.
Oh, man, if you expect when I can't rip it off with G.
You're not supposed to expect it.
Damn, bro. When I gonna rip it off?
I'm going to rip it off when I rip it off.
No, tell me how much you gonna count to.
Babe, I'm going to count to 3.
Oh, but you ain't got with the thing.
Because, should I rip both of them at the same time?
We both have with the same time.
The thing.
Which things? You want to rip 2 18 at the same time? Boy, report.
Come on, babe. Come on. The people want to see.
They don't want to see me torture, bro.
Babe, come on. You ready? Do not move so I can put pressure on it.
You better catch me back if you feel like a run. You better catch me. That's all I can do.
Come on.
Bro, why you so keep putting this thing way up in my neck?
Babe, come on. 1,
What you gonna do?
3.
Okay.
1.
Man, I'm scared, bro. I'm scared, man. Yo, guys, I'm scared, bro. This is not fun, man.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Come on.
Man, I'm scared.
Don't be scared. You a big, strong man. Come on.
You want to feel this?
No.
So, what's up, my big strong man?
Babe, because I want to see how it feels to get to when I go get, I want to see your reaction so I know how it feels. 1, 2, 3.
Hey! Why you do it? Why you do it? Why you with me? Why you waiting up, bro? Stop playing with me,
Okay, come on.
bro.
Okay, for.
Put pressure. Yo, we have one more. Oh my goodness. Oh my, yo, put pressure. Put pressure. Don't repeat. Don't repeat.
Yeah, babe.
Don't repeat. Put pressure.
Put pressure.
Put pressure.
Put pressure.
Pressure. Don't repeat. Don't repeat. Don't repeat. Yo, guys. Yo, don't repeat, bro. Don't repeat, bro. Put pressure.
Okay.
Put pressure.
Let me put pressure.
Don't repeat this shit.
Babe, I'm not. You still got honey everywhere. I mean,
Babe.
You bleeding.
I'm bleeding a lot?
No, just little spots. That's how it's supposed to be.
Babe, put pressure. Put pressure.
Why did it rip this part? Maybe I gotta put some more.
Put more what? Put more what? Put more what? Put more what?
Some more wax. Babe, it looks weird.
That's cool. Babe, that's in the back. Wait, what you doing right now?
Come on, let me rip this one out. That's it.
We went 2 minute break.
Okay, come on.
Let's do a 2 minute session, man.
Okay. 1, 2.
Bumbo. Never for me.
Babe, come on. It is not that hard.
Why you put 3 in the first place, bro?
Babe, because I had to get all of it.
Look, I'm gonna take a shower, bro. Take a shower. Man.
Come on.
Whoa.
Come on, babe.
Hey, come on, man. Is it you on the same spot?
No, it's not.
That's gentle rip it off.
Okay, I can't.
Why?
I didn't do that to it.
Yeah, just,
Come on.
That's gentle rip it off.
Okay, come on.
Gentle rip it off.
It's gonna hurt even worse.
Let me hold on to something. Let me hold on to
What's
something.
that shit there?
Let me hold on to something.
Cause you already hit me in my
Let me
lip.
hold on to something, bro.
No, hold up to you.
Bro, I got hold on to something, bro. Man, come on, man.
Come on.
Hey.
I'm about to gently rip it out like you said. Come on.
No, you're not, bro.
Yes, I am.
No,
Okay,
you're not.
look.
Let me hold on to something. Let me hold on to something. What? Hey! Oh, boy. No.
No.
Yo! Rip this shit out, man. Don't.
2, 3.
Go on, man.
Okay. 1.
Go.
Ooh, boy, they got it from the root. From the rooty to the tootie. It didn't even get all of it.
Put pressure.
Put pressure. Okay, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video like I did, make sure y'all like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a video. Babe, how you feel? How you feel? Let the people know. Let the people know how you feel. Let them see your back. Go so they can see your back.
No.
Come on so they can see your back.
No, they can't see it.
Come on, babe.
They can't see it.
No, they
They
can't.
can't see it.
Y'all, can y'all see his back?
They can't see it.
Ooh.
Stop touching me too much, then they can see it.
Babe, this is smooth though. I think we should do the rest. Okay, y'all, we'll catch y'all next video. Peace.